You're moving cross-country, the truck is in the driveway, and suddenly you realize you're out of tape, out of boxes, and out of time. Most people think all long-distance movers are the same. They aren't. Today, we're exposing secrets about boxes that could cost you thousands. Before we save your moving day, hit that like button and subscribe. Moving is stressful enough. Don't do it alone. National Van Lines has been moving families for nearly a century. We've seen it all, so you don't have to. Does your mover provide boxes? The answer is, it depends. Most people assume it's included. That's not always the case. Basic service is transportation. We wrap your furniture, we load the truck, we drive. But the boxes? Those could be on you. Here's the breakdown. If you pack yourself, you buy the supplies. If you choose partial packing, we bring boxes for the fragile stuff. With full service, we bring everything. The boxes, the tape, you don't even have to find a Sharpie. Watch out for the specialty items. TVs and high-value art often require custom crates. If it's not in your estimate, it's a surprise fee waiting to happen. Always look for the phrase, customer packed cartons. If you see that, the boxes are your responsibility. Don't book until you confirm. Moving cross-country shouldn't feel like a battle. It should feel like a new beginning. Stop guessing and start planning. Click the link in the description or give us a call for a free, transparent quote. We've got the boxes, we've got the trucks. Let's get you moved. Get your quote today. And if you'd like to learn even more about our packing services, be sure to check out our comprehensive packing services video. Link in the description.